Nearly a year into a special lending program aimed at underserved home buyers, the initiative is soon to expand from a few banks to mainstream, non-banking lenders. Could these good intentions be the beginning of our next lending debacle? Launched in February this year, the Special Purpose Credit Program is the government's way of getting mortgage lenders to expand access to credit. More specifically, it gives mortgage lenders the freedom to come up with the zero-down loan programs that support first-time buyers in underserved communities. There are no minimum government underwriting standards. SPCPs are endorsed by HUD, U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, the CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and the OCC, Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. But they don't provide guidelines, said Jung Choi, a senior research associate at the Urban Institute's Housing Finance Policy Center. Lenders are on their own. We've seen this movie before. It was called The Great Recession and Mortgage Meltdown. Lenders 15 years ago were under pressure from government officials and community stakeholders to lower the mortgage qualifying bar to make access to homeownership easier for Black, brown and low-income borrowers. This pressure to broaden homeownership was admirable. Americans gain much of their community esteem and family wealth by owning property. A home provides stability and family shelter, a savings account of sorts for owners who benefit by paying down the mortgage, rather than paying rent, along with historical property appreciation. Let's revisit for a moment the loose lending practices in 2006, which were a recipe for disaster. A class of unscrupulous mortgage lenders funded a cornucopia of predatory mortgages to unsuspecting home buyers and refinance borrowers, getting them funded with little or nothing down. Oftentimes these deals came with easy underwriting requirements, too. Coupled with a sleep at the switch mortgage regulators and ivory tower policy writers, it was a predictable disaster that destroyed the American dream for many underserved home buyers and their communities.